If you've been driving your car and heard a strange, rhythmic clicking or tapping noise coming from behind your dashboard, you are not alone. Or perhaps you've noticed your AC blowing hot air on one side and cold on the other, even when your settings are synced. These are classic symptoms of a failing or miscalibrated blend door actuator. The good news? Before you head to the shop for an expensive repair, there's a simple hard reset trick that works for a wide range of vehicles. Today, on FixDrive DIY, I'll walk you through exactly how to reset your blend door actuator in 4 simple steps to get your climate control back in perfect working order. Let's get started. Step 1. Power down. First, turn off your ignition completely. If you have a traditional key, turn it to the off position and remove it. If you have a push-button start, press it until all lights and electronics are shut down. Once the car is off, wait at least 30 seconds. This allows the HVAC control module to fully power down. Think of it like a computer reboot. Step 2. Disconnect power. Next, open the hood and locate the battery. Using a wrench or socket, loosen the nut on the negative terminal, that's the black cable. Carefully pull it off and set it aside so it doesn't touch any metal. This step is crucial. It cuts all power, allowing the system to wipe its memory and forget its previous faulty calibration. I recommend waiting about 5 to 10 minutes to be safe. Step 3. The reset cycle. After waiting, reconnect the negative terminal and tighten it securely. Now, head back inside the car. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine yet. Leave it here for at least 60 seconds. You might hear soft clicking or buzzing noises. Don't worry, that's actually your actuator. It's cycling through its range of motion, learning its open and closed positions. Be patient and let it finish the cycle. Step 4. Test and verify. Finally, start the engine. Test your HVAC system by adjusting the temperature from full hot to full cold and toggle through the different vent settings like defrost and floor vents. Listen for any clicking and check if the airflow responds correctly. If everything is quiet and the temperature changes as it should, you've successfully reset your blend door actuator. A quick pro tip: always ensure your battery connections are clean and tight, as a weak connection can cause calibration issues. Also, try not to adjust your climate settings for about 15 seconds immediately after starting the car to give the system time to initialize. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to FixDrive DIY, and ring the bell so you don't miss future repair tips. Drop a comment below and let me know if this reset worked for you or if you ended up needing a replacement. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.